The F-22 Raptor, a name that echoes with power. It strikes fear into the heart of any adversary. This isn't just a fighter jet, it's the pinnacle of air dominance. It represents the cutting edge of military aviation technology. The F-22 is the result of a relentless pursuit of excellence. The United States Air Force sought to create an aircraft like no other. They succeeded. Imagine a weapon system so advanced, it can dictate the terms of any engagement. It can disappear into the thin air. The F-22 Raptor is that weapon system. It's a testament to American engineering prowess. It's a symbol of unmatched air power. The Raptor has earned its place in the pantheon of legendary aircraft. The F-22 is a marvel of modern engineering. It seamlessly blends stealth, speed, and agility. It boasts an array of advanced weaponry. This makes it a formidable opponent in any combat scenario. But its capabilities extend far beyond its hardware. The true genius of the F-22 lies in its sophisticated software. This software allows the pilot to process vast amounts of information. The F-22's impact on modern warfare is undeniable. It has redefined the rules of air combat. Its very existence has forced adversaries to rethink their strategies. The F-22 Raptor is a game changer. It is a technological masterpiece that will continue to shape the future of air power for decades to come. The F-22 Raptor wasn't built overnight. It wasn't some accident. It was born out of necessity. The Cold War was raging. The Soviet Union was developing advanced fighter jets. The United States needed to maintain its edge in the sky. This was a matter of national security. The Advanced Tactical Fighter Program was born. The goal of the ATF program was clear: build a next-generation air superiority fighter. This fighter would outperform anything in the Soviet arsenal. It needed to be stealthy, fast, and maneuverable. It needed advanced avionics and weaponry. This was a tall order. The stakes were incredibly high. Two aerospace giants, Lockheed and Boeing, answered the call. They battled for the contract. Their designs were groundbreaking. The competition was fierce. In the end, Lockheed's YF-22 prototype emerged victorious. This marked the beginning of the F-22 Raptor's journey. The YF-22's maiden flight took place in 1990. It was a pivotal moment. The aircraft performed flawlessly. It exceeded expectations. This success paved the way for full-scale development. The F-22 Raptor was one step closer to becoming a reality. Stealth is the F-22's most defining characteristic. It's what sets it apart from other fighter jets. It's the key to its dominance in the sky. The ability to evade enemy radar is crucial in modern warfare. The F-22 excels in this area. The F-22's stealth capabilities are the result of meticulous design and engineering. Every aspect of the aircraft, from its shape to its materials, is optimized to minimize its radar cross-section. This means that the F-22 appears as a small bird or even an insect on radar screens, making it extremely difficult to detect and track. The F-22's sleek, blended wing body design eliminates right angles and sharp edges that reflect radar waves. The aircraft's skin is also coated with radar-absorbent material, which further reduces its radar signature. Internal weapons bays prevent radar waves from bouncing off ordnance, maintaining the aircraft's stealth profile. This combination of design features and materials makes the F-22 practically invisible to enemy radar. This gives the Raptor a significant tactical advantage. It can engage enemy aircraft before they even know it's there. Section 4. The Digital Hunter, Avionics and Radar Supremacy. The F-22 Raptor isn't just a stealthy aircraft, it's also a flying supercomputer. It boasts some of the most advanced avionics and radar systems ever deployed in a fighter jet. These systems provide the pilot with unparalleled situational awareness and allow the Raptor to dominate in any engagement. At the heart of the F-22's avionics suite is the APG-77 Active Electronically Scanned Array, or AESA radar. This revolutionary radar system can scan a wider area than traditional radars. It can also track multiple targets with incredible precision. The AESA radar isn't just about finding the enemy, it's also about targeting them. The F-22 can engage enemy aircraft from long distances. It can guide its missiles with pinpoint accuracy. The combination of stealth and advanced radar makes the F-22 a true force to be reckoned with in the sky. The F-22's avionics systems are integrated with a sophisticated sensor fusion system. This system takes input from all of the aircraft's sensors, including radar, infrared, and electronic warfare systems. It then combines this information into a single, comprehensive view of the battle space. This gives the pilot an unparalleled level of situational awareness.